So you have an established group practice, but you're ready to grow big. You want to go from 3 clinicians to 10. Well, in this video, we're talking exactly what you have to do to make that happen. So if you're ready to go from being a small group practice to a mega group practice, this is exactly what you have to do. First things first, every single person, you need to identify their superpower. That means that you know that this person is good with couples, this person's good with divorces, this person's good with little kids, and this person's good with women in transition. You want to be able to have each person be the specialist in their identified area. It doesn't mean they can't have other areas, but it's easier to grow a group practice to know who and where those superpowers are before you start hiring. Second, you want to look at your phone calls and the lifetime value of your clients. Where are these phone calls coming from? Who are the referrals that love you, and where are their opportunities? If you talked to a naturopath a year ago and haven't got a single referral from her, follow up, find out why. Find out if they went in a different direction. There might be things that you could hire for that would specifically meet their need as to why they haven't been referring to you. Follow up with attorneys. Find out what it's been like in regards to their clinical work, in referring people for custody evaluations or for after a divorce. And then focus on hiring people based on those referrals. If you understand the lifetime value of your clients, it's helpful too. So if you know the average person comes to a session that costs $100 10 times, and they do that over the period of their first year, maybe they have a lifetime value of $1,000. But say 2 out of 3 people refer someone to your practice, that means that each of them is worth an additional $500 in referrals. So understanding that helps you with your marketing, your SEO, and getting the best return on investment for your time and your money. Next, we want to make sure that your systems can handle it. Yeah, it can handle you and a handful of other people, but say you had 10 people that came on and they each had 20 clients right away. Do you have the electronic health records set up? Do you have insurance and NPI2 and all of that clicking along? Is your money kind of where it just comes in and you don't keep track of it? Or do you have a solid QuickBooks system? Are you working with a bookkeeper, an accountant? You gotta have all those things set up so that when the new clinicians join you, you can just run full tilt. Next, you wanna hire in a bunch of different ways. You wanna look for personal referrals, talking to your local graduate college, posting it on LinkedIn and Facebook. Facebook has a job section that it's great, it keeps it all organized. Go on Indeed and realize that the first person isn't necessarily the best person. So we want to take our time when we interview these people. There's a saying that says, hire slow and fire fast. Especially when you're looking at building an amazing team, you want to try your best to get those A-list people and then create a culture so it's easier to attract more of them. Lastly, even though I said hire slow, we do want to hire fast. Don't dilly-dally, don't be paralyzed by perfection, and if someone's not making the cut, let them go. This is an area where you want to try to move faster than probably you expect. Even though I just said you should hire slow, maybe hire in depth is a better way of thinking about it. But don't dilly-dally. Hire in cohorts also to save yourself time. So hire 3 people at a time, bring them all on, have them all sign their paperwork, get them all set up at the same time, and then do that again so you can hire more people and not waste your time while you're doing it. We have tons of tips and tricks and ways that you can grow a group practice over at practiceofthepractice.com. But if you're ready to move even faster than what the podcast and the blogs and the YouTube videos are doing, you really should hire one of our consultants. So if you are ready to grow fast, head on over to practiceofthepractice.com/apply. We have consulting openings and mastermind openings and much more coming out in this coming year. So over at practiceofthepractice.com/apply, you can apply to work with us and we will help you grow faster. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you soon.